Welcome to this Healing Sun guided meditation. Please begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. With each breath, allow your body to relax deeper, preparing yourself for a journey of healing and rejuvenation. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful open space. The sun is shining brightly above you, casting its warm golden rays down upon you. Visualize the sunlight as a radiant, healing energy, a golden light that is full of love and positivity. Feel its warmth on your skin, a gentle embrace that fills you with a sense of safety and comfort. As you stand in this beautiful space, picture the golden sunlight flowing down from above, surrounding your entire body. Visualize it entering through the crown of your head, filling your mind with clarity and peace. Feel it flowing down through your neck, shoulders, and arms. Releasing any tension as it moves through you. Allow this golden light to continue its journey down your torso. Filling your heart with warmth and love. Feel it spreading through your belly, hips, and legs. Rejuvenating every cell in your body with healing energy. Each breath you take brings in more of this radiant light, energizing you, renewing you and infusing you with positivity. While you rest in the warmth of this healing light, embrace this feeling, letting it fill every corner of your heart and mind. You are surrounded by love, light, and positivity. Know that you carry this healing energy within you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more energized and alive, ready to embrace the day with joy and love in your heart. You are a vessel of light, radiating positivity to yourself and those around you. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep, refreshing breath in, feeling the sunlight's warmth and healing energy still surrounding you. As you exhale, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of joy, love, and rejuvenation with you. Carry the healing powers of the sun within you as you go about your day, ready to embrace life with an open heart.